In this video, you will learn about GMP and its importance in pharmaceutical industry. In the pharmaceutical industry, GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. GMP is a set of quality assurance principles and procedures that are followed during the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products to ensure their safety, efficacy, and quality. These guidelines are crucial to maintaining the integrity of the manufacturing process and ensuring that the final products meet the required standards. Key elements of GMP in the pharmaceutical industry are as under. Number 1, documentation and record keeping. Detailed documentation of all processes, procedures, and activities related to the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals is essential. This helps in traceability, accountability, and the ability to investigate any deviations. Number 2, quality control. Strict quality control measures are implemented to monitor and verify that each step of the manufacturing process is performed correctly. This includes testing and validation of raw materials, equipment, and the final products. Number 3, personal training. Adequate training is provided to all personnel involved in the manufacturing process to ensure they are knowledgeable about GMP requirements and can perform their tasks effectively. Number 4, facility and equipment. The manufacturing facility and equipment used in the production of pharmaceuticals must meet specific standards to prevent contamination, ensure product integrity, and maintain a controlled environment. Number 5, hygiene and sanitation. Cleanliness and hygiene are critical in pharmaceutical manufacturing to prevent contamination of products. GMP guidelines outline specific requirements for sanitation procedures. Number 6, validation and qualification. Processes and equipment used in pharmaceutical manufacturing must be validated and qualified to ensure their consistency and reliability. Number 7, change control. Any changes to processes, equipment, or procedures must be carefully evaluated and documented to ensure that they do not impact the quality, safety, and efficacy of the final product. Conclusion. Compliance with GMPs typically monitored by regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical companies must undergo inspections to ensure they adhere to these guidelines. Adhering to GMP helps to minimize the risks associated with pharmaceutical manufacturing and ensures that the products are of high quality and safe for use. At the end, you are requested to subscribe this video if you want that every new video reach you without interruption. Thanks.